Welcome to the best city anywhere for rock and blues in January.
We want to keep helping the animals and the kids in 2026, and we want to do more for the hospital too, with your help.
Welcome to Sippin and Samplin 2026. Raise your glass. Salud!